Okay, folks, I've been running this RV air conditioner for about 5 minutes now off my band's 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter, and the TV is on, just no signal, so therefore, but that's 50 watts, it says on the back of the TV, AC current. All right. So that's about all I got on right now. Now I don't have the fridge on electric. It's off. That would add too much amperage, as that's about, let's see, about 2.2, 2.4 amps AC, DC. You're probably looking like 200 watts extra, and that would probably push it over my 2000 peak. So to prove I'm not on grid power, there's the back of the trailer, and there it is. Follow it, and my inverter's happily singing. Why? Because it's producing power. Now I got 108 amps draw to this solar battery through the whole system, DC current. 100, 0, well, 5 and then 3 would be 108 amperage DC current, big difference. So we're taking DC current from my van solar system, inverting it into 12 volt DC current, adapting to the cord, the 30 amp power supply to the RV, running the AC, still running. We're probably coming on 10 minutes at least, but that's hardly any sun, see? Which is adorable because, you know, clouds. That's what that is, that's clouds in the sky. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Follow me for more useful tips. Oh, that here sounds good with that running cold water. It's getting cold in there. I'll probably have to close the door now.